Scru Face Jean and how to make money like him. Scru Face Jean is a talented hip-hop artist known for his captivating lyrics and unique flow. With his raw and authentic style, he has managed to carve a niche for himself in the music industry. But Scru Face Jean is not just an artist, he is also an advocate for mental health and uses his platform to spread awareness and encourage open conversations about mental well-being. Born and raised in the tough streets of Chicago, Scru Face Jean experienced firsthand the struggles and hardships that come with growing up in a challenging environment. These experiences have shaped his music, allowing him to tell stories that resonate with listeners from all walks of life. His lyrics often reflect his personal journey, touching on topics like resilience, self-discovery, and the pursuit of happiness. What sets Scru Face Jean apart from other artists is his willingness to address mental health issues openly. In an industry that often romanticizes the darker aspects of life, he brings a refreshing perspective by shedding light on the importance of mental well-being. Through his music and social media presence, Scru Face Jean encourages his fans to take care of their mental health and seek help when needed. Beyond his music, Scru Face Jean actively engages with his fans, creating a sense of community and support. He often shares personal stories and experiences, making himself relatable and approachable. His authenticity and vulnerability have earned him a loyal fan base, who appreciate his honesty and sincerity. How to make money and impact the world like Scru Face Jean. Start to become financially independent. One of your options is make money online. In 2023, the world of making money online continues to evolve, offering even more opportunities for individuals to generate income from the comfort of their own homes. Whether you're looking to supplement your current earnings or embark on a full-time online career, there are various avenues you can explore to make money online in 2023. One of the most popular ways to make money online in 2023 is through e-commerce. With the rise of online marketplaces and the increasing number of consumers preferring to shop online, starting your own e-commerce business can be a lucrative venture. Whether you choose to sell physical products or digital goods, setting up an online store has never been easier. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy provide user-friendly interfaces that allow you to create your own online storefront and start selling in no time. Another promising way to make money online in 2023 is through freelancing. As remote work becomes more common, businesses are increasingly hiring freelancers to complete various tasks and projects. Whether you have skills in graphic design, writing, programming, or marketing, there are numerous freelance platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer that connect freelancers with clients from all around the world. By showcasing your expertise and delivering high-quality work, you can build a reputation and attract more clients, ultimately increasing your earning potential. Furthermore, the world of online content creation continues to thrive in 2023. If you have a passion for creating videos, writing blogs, or podcasting, you can monetize your content through platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and Patreon. By consistently producing engaging and valuable content, you can attract a loyal audience, which can translate into ad revenue, sponsorships, and even direct support from your fans. In addition to these popular methods, there are countless other ways to make money online in 2023. These include affiliate marketing, online tutoring, virtual assistants, social media management, and more. The key is to find a niche that aligns with your skills, interests, and passions, and then dedicate yourself to providing value in that area. It's important to note that while making money online offers flexibility and convenience, it still requires hard work, dedication, and perseverance. It may take time to establish yourself and start earning a substantial income. However, with the right mindset, consistent effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt, you can find success in the ever-expanding world of making money online in 2023. Thanks for watching.